It's time for another gardening update. What are we looking at? Hey guys, welcome back, gardening community. What you're looking at is a large container that is housing 2 lemon trees and a doggone bell pepper plant that I chopped down, but it appears to be growing back. The tallest one. The 2 short ones are lemon trees. The tall one in the background there in the same container with that owl is the bell pepper plant that I chopped down. And it's growing back and it's flowering, so I guess it'll be having bell peppers on it. Isn't that amazing? I sure did. I chopped that thing down to the top of the soil, and it grew back. I didn't know that could happen. But it's a lovely day. This is the day to be planting some flowers. I need to sow some seeds, flower seeds. That is something I got to find. I am overwhelmed with lots of stuff today, and I got to find my flower seeds. I think I'm looking at it and put some seeds in the soil, get some flowers going for spring and so forth. Just giving a little update what's going on the balcony garden. Still needs cleaning and everything, but as with my back injury, I got to take my time with everything I do these days. Okay, but I just wanted to come through and holler at y'all, let y'all know what's up, what's going on. I'm about to put some flower seeds in the dirt, and I share it with you guys. The regrowing bell pepper plant and the lemon trees. I don't know what's up with that. What do they need? They stunt. They just midgets, nice and green and vibrant looking, but they just midgets, and they won't. It's been years now I had this lemon tree. It's separated because I only had the one growed from seeds, so I don't know. I refreshed the soil in this pot. I think that maybe it needs some more nutrition. Ain't no maybe. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.